All right, traders, beautiful sell signal showed up here at 9:23 a.m. this morning, giving us a fantastic 100-tick winner to start the trading week. All right, so first things first, welcome back to all you guys and gals after a long 3-day weekend. Hope you had some time to decompress and enjoy your time away from the computer over Memorial Day holiday. And now it's time to get back in the trenches, get our hands dirty, and start looking for setups. And this is how I want to start today's video. I want to send a message to all you guys and gals out there who are intimidated by trading or maybe just befuddled by day trading the market, or even those guys and gals out there who are still breaking even, right? You make a bunch of money one day trading the market and then you give it all back the next day. Now, what if I told you that I have programmed a simple, straightforward, color-coded volume indicator profile that has one job and only one job, okay? And that is to tell you what is the prevailing trend of the day at any moment in time, right? Because listen, I know why a lot of people are intimidated or scared when it comes to trading the market. I know why a lot of you guys do not take massive action when you're supposed to. Okay, and that's because for a majority of you, you guys are still stuck in the 90s using these garbage indicator candlestick charts. All right? I mean, look, I don't blame you. If I were using this type of nonsense, I'd be intimidated too. I have no idea, okay, looking at this chart, where does the trend start? Where does the trend end? Where do I place my stop loss? How many contracts? This is just a complete pile of bull dookie. You understand? But I get it. I understand. The intimidation factor of these nonsense garbage charts is blocking your trading progress, right? It's stopping you from becoming a better trader by simply redisplaying this chart over here into this chart right over here from today. Okay? Because this is the power of a trend. And listen, the ability to spot a trend using this volume indicator color band, which is professional trading software for traders of any experience level, regardless of what you trade, Forex, futures, stocks, and options, it's all good, okay? But how simple and clean does this chart look to you, right? We had a trend change identified right here at about 8:52 a.m. this morning, and you guys know what's coming next, right? The way that I teach my clients to use this software and look for high probability, low risk setups is to wait for one pattern and only one pattern to show up, okay? And that is this little retracement right over here. Okay, and what's special about this pattern? Well, not much. It's a simple but powerful retracement chart pattern. All we're expecting the market to do from the point of the trend change, right, is to come down a little bit, establish the downward momentum, and then let the retail traders and the amateurs get suckered back into the market, and then we wait for a boom! One of these red reversal bars that closes above the volume indicator. Okay? And that's it. This is the signal to potentially go short the market on the open of the next bar. The potential stop loss goes 1 or 2 ticks above the signal bar's high, and we just want to see the trend do the dirty work for us as this market just plunges the rest of the session. You understand? Hey guys, you know what my clients love about this approach is the simplicity, but more important, it doesn't require a lot of thinking. And look, if all you did in your trading career was master the ability to spot and identify these retracement patterns, man, I'm telling you, you are going to transform your trading technical analysis, I think, forever, right? Because I'm convinced that this is the only indicator or system or strategy that any trader needs to understand market structure, okay? And when I say market structure, what I mean is understanding the ebbs and flows of the market, right? The market goes in zigzag patterns. It never goes straight down, right? It always ebbs and flows. You know, sometimes when it's green, okay, when the volume indicator is green, the buyers are in control. And when this volume indicator is red, the sellers are in control. It really is that simple. And I feel that a lot of you guys out there have to make a decision. Do you want to forever stay in the trash heap and the garbage pile and keep using these garbage charts, right? Or do you want to take massive action and understand real price action trading techniques, okay, within the concept of nothing more than a simple retracement pattern? So yeah, big shout out to all of you guys that were using the volume indicator today to nail this potential short signal. I love starting the week with a profitable trade. We got a really busy week this week on the economic calendar, and I cannot wait to see if we're going to get this exact pattern tomorrow. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.